So I need to find the truth table for this, and this is going to be long because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 prime propositions. There's P, Q, R, and S. So that means it's 2 to the 4, which is 16 lines. And this might be a little more difficult because I don't think it'll fit on the screen, so I might have to shrink the size of my printing. Okay, so I'll do the inside of the brackets here. I have not R and not S. Then I'll do not R and not S. And then I'll finish it off with P or Q, not R and not S. Okay, let's double this up in my lines. I'll shrink it down by half. So I have 16 lines. Well, let's write 8 trues and then 8 falses first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I have 8, so I go down to 4 and alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoops. Should have been falses here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I go down to 2 here. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2. Okay, and now I can alternate between true and false for this one. So P or Q, that's when at least one of them is true. And so if you quickly scan down here, we have all trues here, have all trues here, and then there's these 4 down here that are all false. So from about here, it's all true, the rest are false. And I fill in my trues then. Good. And then, let's see, I have not R, so it's just this column here. So I'm going to alternate between 2 falses and 2 trues. So false, false. And same thing with S. False, true, false, true, false, true. Now I have to do and all of that, so trusty ruler. So I have F and F, that's false. I have F and T, it's false, because both of them have to be true. It's true, false, and F and T, that's false still, false, true, false, 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 true, false, 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 true. Okay, so now I need to take this column here and this column here, and What I need to do is check to see if both of them match. So I need to look down this column here. I need to look down this column here. Okay, so I have true and true, false, that's false. Because both of them have to be true, false. True and false, that's false. True and true, that's true. True, false, that's false. I have true, false, that is false. True, false, false. True, true, good. False. 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 True and true, that's true. False and false, that's true. False and false, that's true. False and false, that's true. And lastly, false and true, that is false. So I think my alignment is a little bit off, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there's 16 lines, and they all match up, and now we've done our table.